Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
What is synonym? A synonym is a word or phrase that has the same or nearly the same meaning as another word or phrase. Ask, inquire, correct, right, happy, delighted, sad, unhappy, fast, quick, slow, sluggish, big, large, small, little, good, superb, bad, awful, difficult, hard, easy, simple, beautiful, pretty, ugly, hideous, angry, furious, smart, intelligent, strong, powerful, weak, frail, brave, bold, afraid, scared, funny, hilarious, old, ancient, new, recent, tall, towering, mean, cruel, kind, gentle, hard, difficult, soft, smooth, rich, wealthy, poor, needy, clean, tidy, dirty, unclean, hot, warm, cold, frosty, loud, noisy, quiet, silent, young, youthful, old, elderly, new, fresh, bright, shining, dark, gloomy, honest, truthful, expensive, costly, cheap, affordable, friendly, cordial, generous, giving, stingy, frugal, important, crucial, trivial, minor, safe, secure, dangerous, risky, healthy, fit, sick, unwell, lucky, blessed, unlucky, luckless, clear, obvious, confusing, puzzling, creative, innovative, boring, dull, correct, right, ask, inquire, begin, start, cry, weep, get, donate, deduct, subtract, fix, mend, deter, hinder, loose, slack, long, extensive, short, brief, change, transform, false, untrue, reach, arrive, accept, approve, believe, trust, under, below, mistake, error, near, close, tired, exhausted, fat, obese, easy, simple, try, attempt, immune, resistant, deadly, fatal, diminish, decrease, appear, seem, disappear, vanish, connect, join, job, occupation, choose, select, baby, infant, get, receive, delicate, fragile, answer, reply, important, vital, encourage, support, think, consider, bright, sparkling, calm, quiet, dry, arid, want, desire, afraid, scared, annoy, irritate, blunt, rounded, sharp, keen.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.